simple video, I am going to show you how to paint and then to make the fan and zoom effect. I'm using the keyframe. So how you can use the keyframe, just click the keyframe button on the position and size. Just click on it, and then you can select the frame that you want to make zoom or fan, and then select another frame just for the scale. And alright, so and frame, you can select the keyframe again and zoom and fan. So as you can see, for the final result like this. Okay, that's how you can create fan and zoom effect in the CapCut app using keyframe. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.